Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. So this is gonna be another unboxing video. I know I've been doing a lot of unboxing videos lately, but this one I decided to not to make it like a music only unboxing video. I had to make the other two earlier videos to be like a silent video because I was having a pretty bad sore throat and my voice was kind of like coarse during that time. So now I think I'm quite recovered, so let's open up the box and see what we have. But I guess again from the thumbnail you should know what this is gonna be, but anyhow, let's do this. Yep, this is the newer G-Shock. I think I cannot remember the reference number, but it's this one, GMA-S2100-180R. So this is what a lot of people call the baby Casioak. Yes, you heard me right. This is what the internet is calling this watch. So it's a smaller version of the popular GA-2100 or GA-2110 series. Yep, it's slightly smaller, but it's still not called Baby G. It's smaller, but it's still called G-Shock. So I went for the black version this time around. Let's try to unwrap and look at the watch. So this is the watch. I'm gonna move the clutter away and take a closer look at the watch. Alright, so this is the watch. Again, the reference number is let me see here. Yeah, GMA-S2100-180R. So this is a black version. Yeah, it also comes with a negative display, but it's slightly different than the larger model, because on the larger model you can opt for a blacked out hour markers or a white hour markers, but this one, it comes with sort of like I would say a rose gold hour markers, and well, some people like it, some people not, but I guess it's still okay. It's not too flashy, it's not too blingy if that's not your thing. And yeah, if you really want a really stealth blacked out version, unfortunately they do not have that color. I think they have like pink, light pink or salmon color, and there is also a white color. So before I decided to go with this one, I was actually deciding either to go with this or the white version, but I ended up going with the black because I think it's a little more versatile. And again, as with a lot of white resin G-Shocks, it tends to yellow if you wear it quite a lot and you have an active lifestyle and you sweat a lot. Like for example, here is quite hot and humid, and now it's turning into a rainy season, so yeah, that might not be a great option. So the case, I think, has the same DNA as the larger version. The hour markers, the layout of the watch face, including the digital display, the watch hands, I believe they are they have similar design, maybe slightly smaller size. I haven't compared it side by side. I will do that. I think the rest could be pretty much the same. I'm not sure if the case back is the same size, but it has the carbon core guard etched on the case back. The buckle is made out of plastic like the one in the GA-2110. I think the original GA-2100, it comes with a metal buckle. So yep, you can say this as a cost down measure from Casio. Alright, so this is how the watch looks on my 6-inch or 15.2 centimeters wrist, compared to the regular, or what I would say the larger version of the GA-2100. This one certainly wears a lot smaller and I think more suitable for my wrist sizes. Well, I think I can still pull the regular GA-2100 off, but yeah, I would say they are on the bigger side. But this one, it feels, I mean, quite at home on my smaller wrist. I don't know, I just like how the way it fits, and somehow it has that impression, giving me like a lighter feeling of the watch on my wrist. I'm not too sure about the weight of the watch compared to the larger one, but I believe maybe they have some I don't know, maybe it's not on the manual, but maybe they have some information on Casio's website. But somehow it does feel a little lighter and a little less overwhelming on my small wrist. So if you are in the market for this GA-2100 style, or what you call the Casioak G-Shock, and you like the blacked out version, you know, the regular blacked out version, which is like so hyped up that you can find fakes everywhere you walk, or every online shopping center that shopping site that you visited, well, maybe it's a good choice to go with this smaller and newer version. Well, usually newer watches or newer release, they have less tendency of being a fake, you know, unlike the regular that has been launched like for what, a year, 2 years ago. Yeah, so if you're in the market, I do suggest checking this out. And you know, if you're really like a hip hop person, you know, you're like modernistic mentality, you can also opt for that salmon dial or pink dial. I think they look great. The white dial is definitely my choice, besides the black. But yep, I would say they all look great if you have a slightly smaller wrist, and even if you have like a bigger wrist, and you somehow prefer to wear smaller watches, this will be a good series. Yeah, I'll be doing a full review maybe in a month or two. I still have some backlog of watches which I should have done the review by now, but yeah, I guess I'm sorry. So yeah, this one I think I will take another like a month or two to wear it, to feel it, and to give my honest opinion on the watch. So if you're interested, please subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss out on that video. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye bye.